Hello, this is the third day of the course. Today we are going to talk about mastering the art of library development in Go. Yesterday, I assigned you the task on implementing a Markdown parser, and I gave you some expected outcomes. I've given some recommendations to split the implementation in two parts. Create the interim representation, tree of nodes, and in the render phase, you take this tree of nodes and render to HTML. Let's see some example implementation. Here, I've defined a generic Markdown node. Using that, we are going to find a block text. This text is a struct that holds more Markdown nodes. For example, one Markdown now is M, the emphasis. Now, in the parser, we are going to hold the source, the list of bytes, and the renderer will render to HTML. Here are the constructors. The parse method is the most critical part. It's going to parse those nodes. You only have to handle the inline nodes. This is the input, and it's going to return a list of nodes. For each byte array, you have to split by lines and call inline nodes. The inline rules for each line you have to go and match and convert into this input into a list of nodes. So the renderer is going to take those nodes, a writer, and using a switch for each type you do accordingly, you have to call recursively, and you may find, for example, that there are two or more rules. For example, M will write using a writer M, then the node text, and then close M. You can also keep track of how many bytes written and the error. So, I hope you learned a lot using types, type switching, and proper interfaces here.